Cundy, Red Cars here at REC TEC Grills. We are cooking an awesome burger today. I got
Stevie Frederick's Twisted Burrito, Evans, Georgia.
That's right. So today we're cooking what we're calling a Cundy Burger in honor of the co-founder, Ron Cundy. I'm going to tell the story.
Is this your low-fat burger?
Well, Stevie, interesting you should ask that. This actually is a kind of a low-fat burger because I combined breakfast and lunch so you can put them in one meal so it saves calories. I'm genius.
Makes
Makes
sense.
All right. But the reason I'm calling it the Cundy Burger is I wanted to do a burger with an egg on it, right? And so I was like, what do I like with eggs? And I was thinking about a breakfast. One time I was in the mountains with Ron and we were on vacation and I went over to his cabin one morning and he made me the best eggs I've had ever, and he put spinach and tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes in an omelet. It was amazing with some bacon. I said, well, what if I was able to bring all that into a burger? Crazy, right? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make some fire roasted tomato jam for the burger. We're gonna put a fried egg on top of this double cheeseburger. We're gonna put some spinach that we're gonna wilt on the bottom. And it's going to be incredible. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go get out here and make that fire roasted tomato jam. So tell them, Stevie.
See you at the REC TEC.
That's right. All right, we're going to get a little fire on these tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is drizzle a little olive oil on them. So we're going to get a little fire on there. When this olive oil hits this bullseye, go ahead, Stevie, so we don't burn you up. A little salt and pepper. That's fancy. But there we go. Get a little char on those guys. We're going to let these go for about 10 minutes, and then we'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, we got this roasted tomato jam. Put some fire on these guys. That's 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Some of these kind of disintegrate on you. That's right. That's why I use 3. You put a tablespoon of butter. We're going to make this right on the grill. And you can use 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub. If you don't have that, that's our honey rib rub. You can use some brown sugar, paprika, smoked, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. That's right. Mix that up. I just come in here with a potato masher. Just start mashing this, and what you want to do is reduce this till it gets into a nice consistency for your spread. Bring it to a boil.
So it's going to cook down and thicken up? It's
going to thicken up, so it takes about another 10 minutes. It's just got some great flavor that you bring in there. So I just, like I said, trying with that Cundy Burger to bring all those elements into a burger with the egg. I mean, the egg started it all. So we're just going to let this get thick and tighten up. And you just keep working it. And you want to peel those tomatoes. And what we did to peel them is we took them, we put them in boiling water for about 30 seconds until they start to peel, and then you put them in an ice bath, and then you peel those tomatoes, quarter them. You saw what we did. We just put some fire on to give them that roasted flavor. And now it's getting down there nice and thin. And now all we have to do is tighten this up, bring it to a boil, tighten this guy up. All right, let's get in there, Stevie. We're going to do these Cundy burgers. Let's get a little butter rolling on here. For the eggs, I got this dish from a Mexican restaurant. They closed. I bought them all. I'm sure you can go to like a Restaurant Depot, something like that, and get them.
You're talking about the skillet.
The little skillet. What I call it?
It's a dish. I don't know if you're talking about the burger itself.
So you gotta be real gentle with these burgers because we make real thin burgers for these double cheeseburgers. Handle with care. Get these guys up. We season these with Ben's pepper dust. These are only going to go about 3 minutes aside. And we're gonna flip these. We already smoked some bacon at 275 with some honey rib rub on. We're gonna put the bacon on there in a second, so let's let these guys go for a few minutes. So we're gonna move these eggs over. Flip these, we're going for like a medium, over medium.
Woo! Oh yeah. That'll be fine.
We are back with these amazing Cundy inspired, what we're calling the Cundy Burger. So I incorporated all these favorite things with an egg into a burger. We got the spinach going up on the bottom. All we did with a little extra virgin olive oil is we put that real quick, wilted that with some garlic and some salt and pepper. Next we got these beautiful double cheeseburgers with some smoked bacon in between there. We put the heifer dust on the burgers and the honey rib rub on the bacon. We're gonna top that off with a fried egg. We were shooting for over medium. We got a little bit over well, I think. That's okay.
Just a little bit.
It's okay if you miss sometimes. We
This
grilled
stuff
it.
right here.
This stuff is a meal by itself. If you don't let it tighten up, it's the most amazing tomato soup ever. So we're calling this fire roasted tomato jam. It is incredible, but you saw what we did with this stuff. That's gonna be our topper. Oh man, I'm a liking, I'm a looking, and I'm a liking, Stevie. What do you think?
No.
That was
I
a
mean,
picture.
I like it.
You don't like my joke?
No.
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Give me some love. All right, can't have too much of that. Top them off, baby. Oh, man. Goodness. Give me a paper towel. I'll be back.
All right.
I mean,
You thinking this knife's gonna do?
should we let Rachel get it? All right, let's just do it, man. Let's just cut it, man. You only live once. Just do it. Looky here. Uh-oh. Just a piece of bacon. Man. All right, man. You know what time it is?
We haven't done this in a while.
You know what time it is? I mean, I'm losing the gloves for this. This is great. All right, guys. The Cundy Burger. I'm telling you, it is legit. Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa.
That tomato jam.
This thing is on fire. You got a little bite from that spinach, sweetness from that bacon and that honey rib rub. It's got all kinds of layers of flavor. Unbelievable. Visit RECTECGrills.com. You gonna put this on the menu at Twisted?
I'm stealing it.
That's a lot of work, man.
Oh, we got it.
Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. Visit RECTECGrills.com. Thanks, guys.
See you again soon.